Hello friends, I would like to tell you about the mounting systems for installation of accessories on rails and tubes. The range includes kits for tubes with diameter 22-25mm and diameter 30-32 mm. They have the same mounting system. The parts of the pad are fastened together with 4 screws on the tube. Each of the kits consist of the mount, the mounting pad and the adapter insert. The insert allows you to install the kit on the tube with a smaller diameter. The kit includes side fixing screws, which prevent axial rotation of the mount. The system is compatible with all BORIKA FASTen accessories. The main parts are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide, protective plug of PVC, fasteners of a ISI 304 stainless steel. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products because I'm their creator, inspirer, and active user.